head to the old Costco and Sam's. Because y'all know what tomorrow is. It's Charcoal Sunday. Look there, there's Jack.
Oh, there's Jack. Wonder where he's been.
What's the matter, Jack? Anyway, I'm gonna do a little shopping real quick. Well, me and baby's about to head into Costco. We'll see what we can get into in here. I'm sure, oh no. We'll find something. We'll let y'all in on this shenanigan. Yes, sir. Boy, I hate dealing with heartburn. Always gotta have my backup for heartburn. It ain't just the daily pills, it's the instant pills, or the instant swig of something. Because I'll wake up all tore up. And I just can't handle it. What else we looking for, baby?
Chicken, and then baby said any snacks.
Snacks? Oh, we definitely need chicken. How about coffee? I probably need me some more coffee pods for the Keurig. So let's see what we can find. Yep. Can't come through not one aisle without wanting something. Always keep your peepers peeled. Oh yeah. How about grabbing me one, please? Always keep your peepers peeled. Because you be wanting something, that's for sure. Yeah, if I don't make them myself. Cage-free egg.
No.
Yeah. Yeah, I think we're loading up pretty good, so we'll fill that freezer plumb full. I can't wait to get to the ice cream section.
And you can't wait to get home and eat all of it.
Yeah, I'll get home and eat all of it in one sitting. That's how I roll. And there's a sample snack on every corner. Yeah. Yeah, let's see what they got, babe. Let's see what they got. See what kind of snack.
I'm not gonna do it.
Distributing snacks again?
Unsweetened almond milk.
Unsweetened almond milk.
Nice.
Try it, babe.
Oh my goodness. Good on cereal or smoothies and coffee. Sugar free. That is a good one. They want to check that out.
Okay. Yeah, there it is right there.
Do we need bowls? What do you think?
Sugar free.
All organic.
Baby can take her a swig of that every morning before she goes to bed and in the morning.
I can put it in my yogurt and my my oatmeal.
Hey, it's only $12.99. Go and get you a box.
Can I take it?
All right. Look at there.
You say it's got a shelf life, so you don't have to worry about spoiling. Awesome. Is baby gonna put it somewhere?
Yeah,
Got it?
Yeah, I got it. Well, I thought I got it.
Yeah. Let's open that thing.
Yeah. Come here, babe. Yeah. All right, now look what we found.
Yeah, we got some come home, sit on your butt snack.
Yeah.
On the couch.
That's come home, sit on the couch kind of dinner right there. A big bag of kettle cooked potato chips, Cape Cod. What's for dinner, babe?
A bowl of sea salt.
A bowl of fix it yourself.
A bowl of Cape Cod.
If you don't like what I'm having, fix it yourself. Yep. Well, I'm sure glad we ain't dealing with this no more. It's been 30 years, 22 years. Why are you getting diapers?
Not diapers.
Oh. We ain't gonna stock up on that now, are we? We're past that.
I don't think we've gotten there yet.
Well, grandchildren, no, but...
What do you think about this?
Yeah.
But it doesn't have a price. So.
What, $5.19, isn't it? Is that $5.19? Huh?
I don't know. That's not for that. Let me see. No, that's for the Ozarka water.
Oh.
40 now?
Yeah, I'll buy them Huggies when I got grandkids, but I don't need to be starting over with my own kids. Yeah, we'll go to Sam's. See, when you go to Costco and then you go to Sam's, you usually find a better deal, so I think. But we're liable to buy things twice. Hey, there's paper towels over there too. So we'll find something.
Butt wipe.
Baby said ass wipe.
I said butt wipe.
Well, if you keep from wrapping it around your hand each time and just get two, you only need 2 squares, and you use it and you fold it in half and you use the other half. You don't wrap a whole roll around your hand, and we're on septic system, so no wonder I got to get that thing pumped every 6 months.
You haven't had it pumped once yet.
Hey, it's almost 2 years. It's about time to. Yes, sir.
Did I normally get some?
If we need some. Hey, there's some moist. Baby might need the Bounty Moist or Bounty Most. That's septic safe, right? We usually get the red kind.
No, we don't.
Oh. Ultra soft?
And this is septic safe.
Septic safe. Okay. Don't need to be causing issues for a septic system. Baby didn't find no paper towels yet though, huh?
Well, it's expensive.
Man, look at that. Look at this right here, babe.
Yeah.
Just noticed the same.
There used to be like 16.
Yeah.
Just noticed the same thing.
Kirkland here is $17.99 compared to the $24.
I don't care. Everything was just.
Yeah,
This is crazy.
it is crazy.
No way.
Hey, babe.
We're gonna do this.
Yeah.
This time.
We'll see. We'll see how it works out.
Now, if it's too abrasive, there's your answer.
I know.
Then we know next time.
If it says like 220 grit. then-
Yeah, right. That'll definitely do some cleaning, but
Oh yeah.
Dang it. Be eating like a pig. Well, I can tell you, I found me some steaks, but they still ain't cheap. What baby find?
Some apples.
No, freaking right. I know where I'm headed after this. Dadgummit. Man, I just can't get over how much the price of stuff has gone up. You know, used to, I'd go to Kroger or Albertsons. Never been a big Walmart fan, but and go buy steaks for me and my daughter and get them at a decent price, because we're the only two that really eats it. But 38 bucks, and that was pretty cheap for what I found. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 New York strips. That's not too bad, but most of that other stuff was 55 bucks.
All right, we better go. It's gonna be about $1,000.
Well, we got to mosey right over here real quick.
Well, where you gotta go?
I gotta go see what kind of cold snacks are on sale.
Instead of RBF, we need to say RFF, Resting Scalp.
Yeah, I've often wondered that myself. Some people just have this gosh awful scowl on their face all the time. Why's baby got her mask on? She hiding a scowl?
No, but because I have not been vaccinated, I choose to not be vaccinated.
I have, and I chose to.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
I thought your job forced you.
Well, the job kind of, being I'm in healthcare, yeah, it's kind of mandatory, but I think I would have went for it anyway.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, why not? I think we're coming down the wrong way here, because now it's a mad dash for the checkout lines. And usually what happens around there,
You just park it and leave it.
yep, I'll park it and leave it, or, you know, be a shoving match of some sort. And I'll oblige anybody
Oh,
in a shoving match, so
shut up.
I may not start it, but I'll finish it, guarantee you. So will my baby. Most times she'll start it though. Yeah, she's an instigator.
No, I'm not.
She likes getting me involved in them too,
No,
most
I
of the
don't.
time. She starts it, then I finish it. Do we want to check out or let somebody check us out? Because, you know, I don't know what in the heck, but here we go, babe. All right. This ought to be interesting. Maybe you want to handle this while I
No, I really don't know if you're done.
if it goes quiet, just tap it.
First and foremost, he does not fight. He acts all tough on this thing. He is not like that at all. He thinks he's Mr. You start it and I'll finish it kind of crap. No, that's not even. So he thinks he's all tough, but he's not. He's just a soft, dull teddy bear. Anyways, I'm going to see if I can shut this thing off.
Good Lord, babe, what happened in there? Why'd you fill the cart so much?
I didn't. The baby kept putting stuff. Next thing you know, $5,000. Good Lord.
Hey, we got a bunch of snacks though. And the bad thing is we didn't get all the snacks we wanted.
Well, you didn't get your dumb cold snack.
Yeah, but there's still other essentials that we need.
Your cold snacks is an essential.
That is an essential. That takes the edge off. Just like when I pack my lip with Calm Down.
Good Lord. You have too many calm downs and edges.
That keeps me from losing it, and keeps me, it's like that song, y'all gonna make me lose my mind up in here, up in here. Y'all gonna make me act a fool up in here, up in here.
You're dumb. Thank God you don't have to sing for a living.
Hey,
All right, do you want me to help you with anything?
I could have been a professional rapper,
Okay, you're dumb.
and I wouldn't have been Snoop Dogg, I'd have been Pooch. Pooch. Maybe want to get the air on.
Maybe turn it off already. Here he comes. I don't even know if it's recorded or not. Oh, here he comes. Thinks he's all big and burly.
Yeah. Rough and tough and tumble and tundra and raw bone.
Rotund.
Yeah, raw bone. And nothing about rotund. Raw bone.
There ain't nothing about rotund.
No, it's raw bone. Cause that's me. I'm raw bone.
Yeah, and rotund.
Only thing rotund about me is when I go into the baño.
Sick ass. Sick.
And when the baño calls, there's usually escalation with a phone call.
You're stupid.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to turn it off? It was just sitting there. I don't even know.
Baby was yakking and rattling and just carrying on.
No, not at all. In fact, I didn't pick that back up until I saw you coming back this way, and I thought, oh God, here he comes.
Yeah, it's life and times of Lolly and Pop.
Yeah.
When we get to be Lolly and Pop.
Yeah.
One day. So, dang. That burnt through 500, didn't it, babe?
That's so dumb.
Well, $3.99, 400.
We don't have any money to live on this.
Ah, nuts. I guess baby's gonna be eating beans. Baby's got flour to make tortillas, right? Good thing my buddy Albert brought us about 3 bags of beans, and
Thank God.
they got rice and
But with the gas being the way it is, we may not make it to work.
thunder. Well, I think I got an old water hose at home, a little small one, that I'll cut the ends off. That way I can go around siphon gas from people that are in bed at night, sleeping. Get up, go to work the next morning, and start their car, and what the? I just filled up yesterday. Yeah, let's go to Sam's. On the good old Chisholm Trail toll road. I don't like paying tolls, but sure is a good shortcut. And what's crazy is, as you can tell, that water tower's sitting there, but man, before all this stuff out here, this used to be dairy land. And they cut this toll road through, and it's just shooting up. Residential, commercial. It's kind of crazy. But that's how it goes, you know. It's what's called progress.
Is that what you call it?
It's what you call it, progress. I don't much care for paying tolls, but where we're at out here in the country, the toll road is the quickest route to and from. But yep, all this just used to be nothing but dairy land. Now they got a big Tarleton State school out here, remote learning. Kind of crazy. But before long, you'll see nothing but residential neighborhoods out here. It's ridiculous. My theory is all the old shotgun houses built up around downtown and in the city, around the hospital district, which most of them have been tore down, and the hospital district has bought it all up and rebuilt, taken it over. Nothing but medical offices and stuff, which forced all them people to move out to the urban areas, and it's done nothing but turn them into city areas. We're just far enough out that we're still in the country, and hopefully in our lifetime we won't see all that. That's a hope. Ain't that right, babe?
Yes, I wasn't paying attention.
We don't need no city life out there where we're at.
Yeah,
I don't need no another house planted 2 feet between my house and the next house.
yeah, because when you got to go pee, you step out on the side and just go pee.
I can just go outside.
Run around in your underwear.
Yeah. You can't do that in the city. But if I need to, I'll just go outside and water the grass.
Water the grass. Kill it. You and, between you and the dogs, grass is going to be killed.
Yeah, Mister's got a good patch killed. I keep wanting to come fish that pond right there. I've never fished on that little pond, but I'm thinking about coming up here and trying it. There's a lot of them around out here that I have, but not that one. Anyway, let me get on these back roads and head to the house. Yes, sir.